AI is moving quick and we don't want to be left behind, so I just want to show you guys some AI tools that I think are going to blow up in the future. So first we have Perplexity AI. So this one's pretty different. This one's basically a competitor with Google Chrome. It's like a search engine basically, but I think it's a lot better than Google Chrome. Let me show you guys. So for example, let's search up Apple delays car project. It's going to show an answer, the sources, and at the bottom related, on the right side the images, same thing as Google Chrome. But this answer that you see in the middle here is actually a bunch of different cited sources. So it's taking text from a bunch of sources and putting it together, giving you one simple answer. So it's way more defined, way more efficient, I'd say. I'd say this is way better than Chrome, and it's giving the numbers here for the sources, and it's just really nice. It's really nicely done by Perplexity. I honestly want to see how far this goes. I'm excited to see what this one can do, especially because it's competing with Google Chrome. So off to the next one. Now next we have Rabbit, which is a really secretive AI gadget. I can't really find the website for it. That's how secretive it is, but you can see here, this is the gadget. You can use it for pretty much anything. I heard you can use it to see what's in your fridge or to see what best podcast is for you. You can use it for pretty much anything. So with Rabbit, you can also control your music, order a car, buy your groceries. It's just a bunch of everything to combine together. I want to see what this actually can do. For such a small device to do so many things, I want to see how this actually plays out. But yeah, this one's a little more secretive. We don't know too much about it, but it's definitely one that's on my list of I want to see what it does in the future. Next up, we have Runway AI. Now this one, I just made a short about how to use it and what it does. It's actually really cool. You can turn any photo or any text into an actual video. Let's just say I want to use this image of me. I'm going to tap anywhere. I'm going to use this brush to highlight the places that I want to animate. I highlighted all of me, so I clicked X, I clicked generate, and let's see what it brings out. Let's see what the AI tool actually does. So this is the video it just generated. Let's see how it is. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but it is a stepping stone. It's at least one little step to what it could be in the future. I like how my sneakers turned from Converses to what looks like dressing shoes, or maybe like a pair of Nikes. But yeah, also you can see the water in the background's moving. It wasn't moving in the actual image. So this is really cool. I'm excited to see what this can do as well. Okay, next up we have the image generators. So now this is actually going to be DALL-E and Midjourney. These are my two favorite ones at least. These are probably the best ones actually. DALL-E by OpenAI, who also made ChatGPT, and also Midjourney, which I'm not sure who owns Midjourney. So Midjourney seems to be better for real life, vibrant art, and then DALL-E seems to be better for just bringing in a lot of the detail basically. It's like really detailed compared to Midjourney. I mean, they both are, don't get me wrong, but DALL-E just seems a little more detailed than Midjourney. Either way, they're both extremely great, and I would 100% recommend that you try both of them. They're both extremely good products. Lastly, we have the Apple Vision Pros. I made a short about this as well, how this is going to be a game changer. You can literally control things with your mouth, hands, and eyes, and it's a whole different virtual tab in front of you. It's huge, it's 3D, this looks just insane, as you can see in the video showing right underneath my face cam. As you can see in the video here, it's really, really good. And I would buy these, but they cost a whopping $3,500. I don't really just have that in my bank account. If any of you guys do, maybe you can buy me a pair, I don't know. But if you do buy one, just let me know how it is, because I definitely do want to try this out in the future. And also I know Mark Zuckerberg was throwing shots at Apple for this. Mark is going to try and beat the Apple Vision Pros with his Quest 3, so let's see how that plays out. Comment down below what AI tools you like the most and what AI tools you think are going to be big in the future. See you in the next video.